Hey guys, this is Balint, and today I'm going to quickly show you how you can get the required permission from Facebook to send messages as non-promotional subscription messages to your users. Also in 2019, because there is a deadline for December 31st. So you have to go to your business page, and it's either business.facebook.com/your page name, or just facebook.com your page name, depends how you have your setup. And then you click on settings on the top right, and after that you have to scroll down, and here on the left side you will see messenger platform, and you just click on that and you scroll down to the page requirements, advanced messaging features, and here you only just have to click on request, and you can read everything here. I just want to quickly go over how we do it with our bot. So I have it approved for a couple of pages already, and now I just prepared text here, so we don't have to waste time on that. So let me just copy paste it here. I have a on the website I have an article for this, so you can just use these examples and adjust it to your business. You have to provide 2 examples what your messages will look like in the future. So here, just quickly, I don't want to waste time, but basically you describe how you will send out messages, what type of subscription messages you will send out, and you give 2 examples of that. So let me just quickly copy paste these ones as well. For bot speech, it's relatively simple because we don't really send out many messages. We just update the users, or occasionally we have some content. It's basically a bot to transcribe voice into text, which I described here above. And I click on confirm and save the draft. So after that, there is this part about info messages. So Facebook provides these for us, and I suggest you just to use whatever Facebook has for an example here. And unfortunately they don't have the text here, but I put it into the article, so you can just go here for the gender and copy paste it accordingly. So it's pretty generic because if you have audience internationally, which most people do with our globalized age, you can just use these messages as they are valid reasons for getting this data from Facebook. Okay, so I just save the draft, and as I have everything ready, I just click on submit review, and Facebook just lets me know it takes up to 5 business days till they process the review, and I just click OK, and that's about it. And we hope for the best. If you get this approved, don't forget to just try again, learn from the mistakes you made. It's very important that you not promote, but these are subscription messages. These are bringing value to the people, and people can opt out of them. Here's a link about the whole technology behind it, or how it should be done, some examples. So guidelines, so make sure that you read that as well if you're not familiar with the policy here. So let me know if you have any questions, and see you in the comments. Thanks, bye.